Hi, welcome to Yacht Grot Video Boat Sales and Second-Hand Chandlery. This Bekebrede 44 is for sale lying in Faro in Portugal. She's a long keel, round bilge steel sloop. This boat has been used for chartering for the last 10 years with the owner. He's extensively cruised the Atlantic and Mediterranean, crossing the Atlantic 6 times, so she's a well-proven boat, professionally built in 1987. Everything about this boat is in excellent condition. She's been very well looked after. She's out of the water at the moment, lying in Faro Boatyard, which is Nav Pegos. I will put a link on the video so you can actually see the boatyard. All the video footage and photographs you will see on the listing, apart from the ones when it's in the water where it was cruising, are all taken on November 2012, so you can actually see the exact condition of the boat. Roller furling Genoa, mainsail. All the full listing of the sales and dates are available on the website. A couple of large solar panels on the boat, also radar, twin poles, very useful for when extensive cruising. In 2008, I've been told the boat was taken back to Holland, where she was professionally shot blasted below the waterline and had a twin pack epoxy system treated. After spending a day with the owner videoing this boat, I could not find one spot of rust anywhere on the boat. She's had all new hatches this year, 2012. He comes with a Lofgren's Tigris 24 volt windlass, and she has 48 kilo CQR, a 45 kilo CQR, a Danforth 12 kilo, and a Kipperwacker. The boat has profile roller reefing, and it comes with two outpoles attached to the mast, both in aluminium. Now we'll take a wander back to the cockpit. There's four Mizner winches in the cockpit, and I believe there's another Mizner 18 on the mast itself. Comes with some very nice cushions in the cockpit. Does make it look very nice. And of course teak wood work underneath that for the drainage. Now we'll take a look down below. In my opinion, this boat is perfectly designed for charter, with a double berth forward and then two single bunks. Coming aft, just through the door there to the left, you've got a double cabin, which is the master cabin, and behind me here you have another twin bunk room. Two heads, one forward, one aft, and there is plenty of space in the saloon area for extra guests if you need them, but 8 is always quite a lot on a boat anyway. Here we have the galley. The fridge is behind me, which I'll show you, which is underneath the chart table. So you have oven and grill with twin hob, and also the sink. Very spacious living area. Step for the mast here to my left. Now we'll take a look forward. Now to the left you have the twin cabin, and forward you have the double berth. All the bedding has been put away so you can actually see around the boat properly. As you can see, very spacious. And then to my right here we have the forward head with shower. Now this boat is on a Dutch flag and has been used for chartering on a commercial basis for the last 10 years. The price the boat is up for is including the EU VAT, but you could purchase the boat without the EU VAT, as the owner is running a Dutch business, and in Holland they're able to claim the tax back. So you need to speak to the owner on this. Here we are in the aft double cabin, or double bunk cabin, sorry. And going into the master cabin here. Again, very spacious. Nice little seating area around the side. Which allows plenty of privacy if you have guests on board, whether using it for business or for pleasure. And here we have the aft head, which also gives access to the engine room, which I'll show you in a minute. Here at the chart table, well-equipped electronics, all listed on the website. And underneath the chart table there is a fridge which is built in. I can show you the picture to the right. The galley is well equipped and very nice storage areas for cups and crockery, including the plate rack you can see in the distance there. And now we'll take a look in the engine room. As you will see in the photographs at the end of this video, which show you much better lighting, this engine room is absolutely immaculate, including the photographs I took of the bilges as well, which I'll show you in a minute. The engine is a Ford 2722E. Four-cylinder, very good fuel consumption. It's done about 4,500 hours, and the last service was 2012. It's got a range of about 800 nautical miles on the tank, with a consumption of between 2.1 and 5 litres per hour. Now we'll take a look at the bilges, and I'll take you through front and mid where we are at the moment, and a look at the stern system. As you can see, everything is immaculately kept and well maintained. Just getting the floor up here so you can see the stern tube and shaft. This is one of the things that impressed me most, especially with the steel boat, is how high the maintenance has been kept on this boat. Everything is absolutely immaculate. And looking at one of the forward bilges, and you can see how much storage he has built into this boat. It's absolutely huge down here. That in the distance there is a 20-litre drum of paint, so it gives you an idea of the size of these bilges. And again, how well they're kept. Thanks very much for watching this video. I'm going to leave you with this selection of photographs that I've obtained from the owner. Thank you very much for watching, and remember you can get full details of this boat at the website. Thanks for watching.